Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. To change your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in the advanced settings and volume button function you got selected ringtone volume, not the medias. And now just by press your up or down volume button, we can also switch and change our device ringtone volume. And also by this way, just by swipe the volume down panel to the up or to the down, we can also change our device ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.